Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys all of the pets that I got from the admin event and what their uses are for, or like their abilities, I guess. So I think some of them aren't new, but definitely the lemon lion is, I think, because it's like a brain rot animal pet. Okay, let's talk about the peach wasp first. The peach wasp, the peach pollinator, occasionally applies plasma to fruit. Then the peach stinger stings a random pet to advance ability cooldown. Then we have the apple gazelle here. So the apple harvester, fruits that have apple in the name, a chance to duplicate when collected, and sugar warp. Harvesting sugar apples have a chance to apply warp mutation to a random fruit in your garden. Then we have the lemon lion. So brain war roars and mutates a random fruit with brain rot mutation, and the citrus roar occasionally grants bonus experience to a random pet, which I think is pretty cool. Then we have the green bean over here. Bean for the bean god occasionally sacrifices a random beanstalk fruit in your garden to instantly grow a random plant in your garden with a fruit size bonus. I think my favorite would be the lemon lion one or the peach wasp. Actually, the apple gazelle is also helpful because it could give a warp mutation, which I think is pretty neat. So yeah, that is it. It's still in my inventory because I'm still trying to get more like space for like more pets. That's why I'm just trying to use the mochi mouse to gain their XP so that I can give it away for another pet slot. And that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.